In this video, we will learn how to move a folder with all its contents to a different location on a computer running Ubuntu. Let's start by opening the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now, before moving anything, you need to know two things. First, the path to the folder you want to move. Second, the path to the location where you want to move it. For example, let's say we want to move a folder called Project from the Documents folder to a folder called Backup in the home directory. In the terminal, type the following command: mv-documents, project-backup, then press Enter. This command moves the project folder, including all files and subfolders inside it, from Documents to Backup. If the destination folder does not exist, Ubuntu will rename the folder instead of moving it. So make sure the target folder is already created. To create the destination folder, you can use this command: mkdir backup. This creates a new folder called Backup in your home directory. Remember, the mv command works for both files and folders. It does not copy, it moves the data. So the folder will be removed from the original location once the move is done. That's all you need to know to move folders and subfolders in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thanks for watching.